How to fix blank white Windows desktop icons. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix if you have blank white desktop icons on Windows. So the first thing you want to do is open up this PC. And from this PC, I'll show you two methods to actually fix the problem. First one is you want to head over to C drive, then users, and then you want to find your username, find app data. If you don't see app data over here, go to view, make sure that on the show option, make sure the hidden items are shown. So go to view, show, hidden items. And then since the app data is grayed out, that's why you're not able to see it. I'll just go over here and then find app data. Go to view again, tap on show, show hidden items, and you'll be good to go. Now if I go to app data here and then go to local, here you should be able to find an option for iconcache.db. You basically want to go ahead and delete this. Right click on it and then go to delete. After deleting this, in most cases your icons should be fixed and it will be back to normal. If it's not fixed, then you're going to have to do another method. Basically, have to right click on the taskbar and then go to Task Manager. From your Task Manager, you need to find your Windows Explorer. So I'll just scroll down here and find Windows Explorer. If you don't see it, you can just tap on any one of them and then type in W or E, and then it's going to show you the Explorer. If not, you can just open the Explorer here, and then it's going to appear on your Task Manager. So right up here, I have Windows Explorer. Right click on this, and then you can restart the task, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And if so, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.